Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question in which we have to find out the domain of the given function this. Great. So, if you will observe, it is square root function. So, we should take care that the argument of square root function has to be greater than equal to 0. Okay. Now, now look at this part. So, first, what I will do, I will make this thing like I'll multiply by minus 1 so that like this thing will become positive. You know that if we'll multiply by negative number, sign of inequality will change. So it is 5 power x minus 1 upon 7 power minus x minus 7 less than equal to 0. Now look at this part. Like I want to find out the critical point for numerator. So can I write 5 power x minus 1 equal to 0? So 5 power x equals to 1. How we will get 5 power 0? So if x is 0, you got the first critical point 0. Now for second critical point, I want to have x power minus 1 minus 7 equal to 0. So x power minus 7 power minus x equals to 7 power 1. So can I say that minus x equals to 1? So x equals to minus 1. So this is the thing. You got your critical point. Now you have to find out the change. Okay. And the answer will be negative room. Okay na? Because you have started from here. So negative room is the required answer. Now suppose that I have taken a number in this room and that is 1. Okay. So if x is 1, so 5 power 1 will become 5. 5 minus 1 will become 4. So numerator is a positive number. If x is 1, this thing will become what? 7 power minus 1, that is 1 by 7 minus 7. So look at this. This is negative number. So this is negative number. So numerator is positive, denominator is negative. So altogether it is negative room. Correct? Now take a number in between like minus 1 to this 0. So I will take uh, 0.5 minus 0.5. Okay, or I can say that it is minus of 1 by 2. So look at here what will happen. So if 5 power minus 1 by 2, can I write 1 by 5 power 1 by 2? And root 5 is what? 2 point something. So 1 by 2 point, suppose 2. So minus 1. So it is what? Negative number. है ना? So numerator is negative. And 7 power minus 1, 7 power minus 1 by 2. So 7 power 1 by 2 minus 7. So root 7 is what? Again 2 point something. So it is again negative number. So denominator is also negative, numerator is also negative. So altogether it is positive number. So in this room it is positive. Now take a number in this room. Suppose it is minus 2. So 5 power minus 2 minus 1. So it will become 5 power 2 minus 1. Again it is a negative number. So numerator is negative and 5 power 7 power minus 2 will become plus 2 minus 7. So it is 49 minus 7. So it is positive number. So negative by positive will become negative number. So in this room it is negative. So can I say that the required x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1? No. And minus 1 was the 0 for this. So you cannot afford to have minus 1 because it will make denominator 0. So no. Union 0 to infinity. Infinity is no, but 0, if you'll put 0 on the numerator, it will make 0. So you can afford to have 0. So this is your required domain. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.